Hi, I'm Mr. Hutchings, and welcome back to Mr. Hutchings History. If you're new to AP World History, the modern course, this video is for you. Let me start with something important. AP is a high school program. The exam is written for high school students, not university professors. Yes, it challenges you to think in new ways, but the goal is to prepare you for university, not drop you straight into it. You've often heard that AP is a college level course, and the truth is, it's not. It's a high school level course meant to get you ready for university. And if you've seen TikToks telling you AP is impossible or you'll never get a 5, ignore them. A 5 exists because it's reasonable and obtainable. Thousands of high school students earn it every year. This class has been for you, and you can do it. Now let's take at how the exam works so you know exactly what to expect. The AP World History exam, Modern History, lasts 3 hours and 15 minutes. It's divided into two big sections. Section 1 is multiple choice and short answer questions. Section 2 includes free response questions, often called DBQs and LEQs. Each part is timed separately, which means you don't have to worry about keeping track across the whole test. Just focus on one section at a time. Section 1, Part A of the exam, is multiple choice questions. There's 55 questions. You'll have 55 minutes, 1 minute per question. It's worth 40% of your overall score. You'll see a short passage, map, chart, or image, followed by 3 to 4 questions on that map, chart, or passage. The test isn't asking you to spit out random facts. Instead, it wants to see if you can spot cause and effect relationships, compare different time periods or societies, recognize patterns of change and continuity. And I have a pacing tip for you. That's 1 minute per question. If you're stuck, don't panic. Eliminate the wrong answers and make your best choice. There's no penalty for guessing, and then move on. Section 1, Part B of the exam will be your short answer questions, your SAQs. It will be 3 questions, 40 minutes total, and that'll be worth 20% of your overall score. Each SAQ has 3 parts, usually labeled A, B, and C. They might ask you to identify something, explain its importance, and then connect it to a broader context. Question 1 always has a source, a text, an image, or a data or some table. Question 2, often a historian's argument or a secondary source. Question 3 or 4, you choose. One asks about history before 1200 and one about later periods. The pacing tip I can offer here, spend about 13 minutes per SAQ. Think of it as a mini essay in 3 to 4 sentences per part. Direct, specific, and concise. Section 2, Part A of the exam is document-based questions, DBQ. It's one question. You'll have 60 minutes total, 15 minutes for reading, plus 45 minutes for writing. This will be worth 25% of your score. This is the essay students worry about most, but it's very teachable. You'll get 7 documents, maybe letters, images, charts, or maps. You're asked to write an historical question using those documents. To earn points, you need to write a clear thesis, which is a specific claim that answers the question. Use evidence from at least 6 of the 7 documents. Add outside evidence, one fact you know that's not in the documents. And then you're asked to analyze the documents, explain things like their purpose, audience, or context. My pacing tip for the DBQs: use the first 10 to 15 minutes to read and group your documents into categories. Then write for about 35 to 40 minutes. Remember, the DBQ is not about being a genius. It's about following the steps, which we'll practice all year. Section 2, Part B of the exam is your long essay question, the LAQ. It will be one essay. You will be able to choose from 3 prompts on the exam. You'll have 40 minutes, and this will be worth 15% of your score. Here you pick one question and write an essay from memory. No documents will be provided. It will test one of the major reasoning skills. It will test your reasoning skill of comparison, how were things similar and different, or causation, why did something happen, what caused it, what resulted from it, or continuity and change over time. What stayed the same, what changed, when, and why. My pacing tip for the LEQ section is to spend about 5 to 10 minutes planning your essay. Write a thesis and outline your evidence. Then spend about 30 minutes writing. A focused essay with strong examples is much better than a long, wandering essay which was not planned out. Here's the heart of it. The exam isn't really about memorizing hundreds of facts. It's about practicing skills historians use, analyzing sources, reading texts, maps, charts carefully, making connections, cause and effect, comparison, continuity and change, using evidence, picking the right examples to support your point, writing a thesis, making a claim, and organizing your essay around it. If you build these skills, the content will make sense, and the exam will feel much less scary. Let's review the timing of the exam. The multiple choice is 55 minutes, SAQs 40 minutes, DBQs 60 minutes, and the LEQ is 40 minutes. That's the full 3 hours and 15 minutes. The strategy I wish to offer you: don't waste energy panicking about the clock. Each section is designed for high schoolers to finish in the time provided. If you practice pacing during the year, you'll be fine. Here's what I want you to remember. This is a high school course. It's meant to challenge you, but it's not college. A score of 5 exists because many high school students can earn it. The exam is long, but not impossible. It's about practicing clear thinking, not memorizing every fact. The skills you build here with me in class, the writing, the analyzing, connecting ideas, will help you in every subject, not just history. So take a deep breath. You belong in this class. You can do this. And I'll be here to guide you through it every step of the way. That's the AP World History Modern Course Exam overview. In future videos, we'll break down each part in detail and practice together. Stay calm, stay curious, and I'll see you next time.